Ever wondered when your Samsung phone was actually activated? It's kind of annoying because Samsung doesn't give us a clear button that shows the activation date, right? But today I'll show you 2 simple tricks that can get really close to the real date. And trust me, they work better than you think. Let's get started. Method 1. Check RF-CAL with a dial code. RF-CAL stands for radio frequency calibration. This is the date your phone's hardware was calibrated at the factory. It usually happens very close to the production date, so it's a great way to estimate how new your device really is. To check it, simply open your phone app and type *12580-369#. Right after that, a hidden information screen will pop up showing several technical details about your device. On that screen, look for the section labeled RF-CAL. That's the calibration date. For example, mine shows 2023-0927, which gives me a good idea of when the device was prepared at the factory. Method 2. Check using your IMEI. The second method gives you another estimate, usually shown as purchase date or production date. To try this, open your Samsung settings and scroll down until you find the About Phone section. Inside, you'll see IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. Just press and hold one of them and your phone will copy the number automatically. After that, head over to iunlocker.com or imeicheck.com. The links are in the description. Paste your IMEI into the website, hit the check button, and within a few seconds, you'll see detailed information about your device, including an estimated activation date. Mine shows 11 October 2023, which matches perfectly on both websites. And that's it. 2 simple ways to get a pretty accurate idea of when your Samsung phone was activated. Super useful if you're buying a second-hand device or just curious about your own phone. So what do you think? Pretty helpful, right? If you know another trick to find the activation date, drop it in the comments because honestly, Samsung really needs to make this easier. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.